Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a bit of work, and that's because we had to replace the frontal display board, the one that you see right here inside, as well as the case of the display board, the top of the machine, the hopper cover and the funnel cover of the machine as well. This machine, all the pieces were in really bad condition. As you can see, they were breaking apart completely and nothing was actually holding up the top part but this little cable and this cable that you see right here. So it definitely needed some new panels in order to have much better construction. It was very flimsy. You could just really yank this off and remove it if you were holding the machine in the wrong direction. It was really bad. As you can see, it was just this screw holding the entire thing together basically. So it was good that we replaced this. We replaced the top panel, we replaced the hopper cover as well, completely broken, as well as the other cover that you see right here. We also replaced the water pump. This water pump is from 2016, and as I said before, we replaced also the display board of the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test this machine out. We have a little bit of beans in here. Let me just move it all the way to 3. Once the grinder starts grinding beans, that way it'll be easier for the grinder to switch and be adjusted. Now DeLonghi recommends to be on the third setting of the grinder, so you have a good crema. We're using a very old coffee, so hopefully we have the crema on the machine. But whenever you adjust the grinder, just make sure to do 3 shots of espresso. That way the machine will calibrate itself and be able to grind the exact amount that it needs. As you can see, we're having nice good flow coming out of the spouts. A little bit of crema coming out of the top because we still had the older setting, which was 5 inside the grinder, and once we switch up in there, it got a little bit much finer, which we got a little bit of crema in there. Hot water of this machine working perfectly fine. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, really good temperature. I'm not definitely going to touch that as I don't have my gloves, but as you can see, really good temperature coming out of the machine. Now let's do a cappuccino. That way we also test the carafe of the machine, and I'll be right back once I install it. Alright, perfect. Now that we have the carafe, let's do it. Let's put it on position 2 and let's do a cappuccino. Now we're not gonna be, this is the original carafe of the machine, but this part over here is not from the machine, as the machine did not come with this. The carafe did not come with this adapter. We're borrowing it from another machine. Then put it in position 2. Apologies for that. You have to put it in position 2 and make sure it clicks, otherwise it will not let you do a cappuccino. Now the machine is doing a cappuccino, grinder is activating, grinding all the beans. Now it's going to siphon water from the carafe into the little cup, into the container that we have right here. I know this is not built, this is milk cleaner, so we're actually cleaning the carafe right now, but this is how it should look coming out from the carafe itself. You can see it's a nice steady stream. There's really good foam building up at the bottom of the container, and it looks really great. Now it's going to extract that coffee that you just grinded, and it's going to be much finer. Let me remove this container and put a different one. That way we can see the espresso coming out of the machine. You can see this one has a bit much deeper color, as this is the new setting that we just adjusted from the grinder. Like I said, this machine requires at least 3 shots of espresso in order to calibrate itself. Much better crema and a much better color than the previous cup of coffee that we did over there. And there you have it, DeLonghi working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.